Oh, it wasn't recording? That was about to be perfect.
Uh-oh.
LA, hello, LA, hello, LA, hello, LA, you know, LA, hello, LA, hello, LA, hello, LA, you know.
What's up, you guys? Back again for another unboxing. I don't really talk like this, but I like doing it for YouTube. It's awesome. Anyway, I'm here for an unboxing, man. I'm super excited. Step my game up. You know what I mean? We got you here. Wow, it's incredible. Second YouTube video. We in here. So we're gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna see what's in here. Yeah. I just pulled this thing right here.
Yep. Pull it, man.
I'm so mad. Look, y'all don't get it, bro. I've wanted this for probably 10 years.
Well, don't cry.
I might. Look, YouTuber cries over unboxing. Bro, I get 1 billion views. He's so adorable.
I'll upload that sucker like today.
Oh my God. Boy, oh boy. Oh my God. I don't even know what to say about it, bro. Obviously, it's a MacBook Pro. It's the 14-inch. I think it has a terabyte, 32 gigs of Rizzy. Oh, bro. Yeah, I'm bugging. Oh, all the info right here. Look, I'm tripping.
I think the first thing that you need to know about hip-hop, it's all about your posture. The more relaxed you are, that's what makes it hip-hop. This is the first thing I will say to you. You want to do hip-hop?
Possibly
You got to
the
stand
best
like
rapper
this.
you never heard of. Kicking it connoisseur, the immaculate. I deliver these bars like I'm a surfer. Good evening, how may I serve you? It's closing time and I gotta make it home before curfew.
Like
Yeah, it's my new studio space, brother. Trying to be like you when I grow up. Alright, so we're back. Oh no, we never left. What am I talking about? So I need to just have that here. Alright. Boom, boom. Gotta open this bad boy.
Oh, I should have been doing this from the back.
It's even better.
Thinking the 4K is in the back.
Oh,
If the front was nice, imagine.
facts.
Ooh.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. See this trash, guys, goes right in my pocket. Don't litter. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh my God. Why is it so light? Oh, it's so cold. Oh boy, oh boy. Ooh, it's a MacBook on the back. Ooh, boy. Yo, look, I don't care what y'all say, bro. This isn't gonna be one of those cool, super duper articulate unboxings, bro. This is something I've wanted for a decade. So, excuse me if I'm not as articulate as, you know, MKHND Marcus. But you be proud, brother. I'm only doing this because of you, brother. You made it possible for black and brown people to do technology videos, man. So big shout out to you. Oh my God, it made a sound?
It comes in.
It's okay. You here. You here. Yo. I opened it up and said, oh, do that read my fingerprints? Stop it. Stop it. Hi. How are you? Hello. Hola. Oh my gosh. Hello. Is that German? Oh, French. Bonjour. Is that Chinese? That's probably ni hao ma. What's that, Japanese? Ohio. Yes. Don't know what that child. That's Italian? All right, look. I know a lot. I'm polyglot out here. You know, that's another video. That's crazy. All right, what am I supposed to do here? I'm losing it, guys.
Show me stuff in the
Oh. Okay, so it comes with this instructions. Okay. Ooh, I wonder what wattage is this. This is the 96 watt charger, the block charger boom. It comes with the MagSafe cable, USB-C MagSafe dongle situation. Oh my God. Is that it? I think it is. Y'all gotta excuse me, bro. I'm super gassed up. This is gonna allow me to make more tutorials, beat making videos, edit exponentially quicker. I'm super grateful. I wouldn't be able to do this without my sister. I mean, she really looked out for me and made it possible for me to be able to get one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, see, look. This is why. Look, if y'all know me, which a lot of you probably don't, but I'm very family oriented. I wouldn't be shooting this video if it wasn't for my aunt who gave me this camera that's looking at me right now. And then this is her camera too. Hi. My sister got me the laptop. You know what I mean? I'm paying for it, but she allowed me to be able to, you know, extend that out a little bit, brother. You know what I'm saying? Life is hard. Like, you ain't nothing without family at all. And that's a fact. So shout out to all the Lloyds. My doc. Dr. Mother Rants, matter of fact. So go check her page out. What you got like?
The main language. Press the return key.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to relax, okay? Relax. We'll do that in a second, okay? But her channel is Dr. Mother Rants. You got what, like 30K subscribers?
No, that's Singing Mukbang Family channel. It's 31K.
So that's the other channel.
Yeah.
So her other channel, Singing Mukbang Family, 31,000 subscribers. Go check her out. Then Dr. Mother Rants, if you want to get into your geopolitical and get your mind right.
Psychosociology.
Yeah, psych.
If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
Just
If you would
close it.
like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
This thing's smart. It's talking to me. Yeah. All right, y'all. Well, I'm gonna get out of here, man. Thanks for hanging out with me. I know this video is short, and DDG would be upset because it's not 10 minutes long. But I gotta do what I gotta do. I'm just starting out. Thank you for dropping in with me.
That's a Big Mac.
Oh, that was the big Mac. You know what I'm saying? But oh, I'm not finished. I'm wilding. I forgot. So we have the 14-inch MacBook here, but then we also have the 16-inch here, the big boy. That's the 100. That's the 100 watt. Oh man.
Show me your watt. 14.
All right, so this is my auntie. She got the 140 watt block for the 16, and then mine is the 96. 96? Yeah, 96 for the 14. This one definitely feels, they feel similar, but you can definitely tell this is the big daddy right here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, thank you, auntie. Look, auntie trying to make sure this video is popping. So look, this is the 16-inch. It says MacBook on the back as well. It has the 2 USB-Cs, the 3.5 millimeter jack, the MagSafe on that side. We have the the regular SD slot. What is that? A C and an HDMI on this side. So let's see what we have on ours. I think it's exactly the same. Yes. It's exactly the same. So this is the 2022 MacBook Pro 14-inch. This is the newest thing I've ever had. I've never had anything new in my life. I've never been able to experience what it's like to open something new. So I'm extremely grateful. Thank you guys for checking in with me. I'm gonna go edit this here video on this here laptop now. What's that?
Give it time so you can cut me out giving you this.
Oh, okay.
So, let them know this is Apple's new twist rope cord.
Okay.
And this is the old one. The plastic one that keeps breaking. This is the new twist rope.
Okay. All right.
And that
Hey, get your close up on that camera right there.
On this one. Yeah, see, this is what I need for you. Can't do nothing without your family, baby. Okay, so I was just tutorialized on this is the new MagSafe, the Apple twist rope cord. And it has like this super nice braided texture to it.
Yes.
And then this is the old one that I guess breaks and stuff. So we won't have this issue anymore, thankfully. So, yeah, boy, I'm about to go off on you. Y'all don't even understand. Y'all about to get so much content out of me. It's about to be ridiculous. And now I have to, for continuity's sake, I have to film all my content over here because I look super professional. You know what I'm saying? Boy, I'm out here killing them. They about to be calling me like, yo, can you shoot a video? I'm like, yes, I can. And I can only do it because of this now. So, all right, y'all. I'll holla at you. Peace.
I think the first thing you need to know about hip hop, it's all about your posture. The more relaxed you are, that's what makes it hip hop. This is the first thing I will say to you. You want to do hip hop?
Possibly
You got to
the
stand
best
like
rapper
this.
you never heard of. Kicking it connoisseur, the immaculate. I deliver these bars like I'm a surfer.